In this video, you'll learn how to make money on Poshmark, how to get boutique certified, and 5 steps to help you reach and continue Poshmark success. Let's quickly cover the basics. Download the app, find and sell inventory, make sales, become boutique certified, and follow the 5 steps to continued success. You can find the link to download the Poshmark app from the description box below. Next, you'll need to find inventory. The easiest way to find inventory is to search your own closet. Ensure the items are in resale condition and be sure that your items of choice are not overly faded or excessively flawed. Subpar items don't meet Poshmark standards, and you'll have plenty of unhappy customers to provide negative feedback with reviews to match. Remember, when selling on Poshmark, you're running your own business. Just as with any other business, you have to provide quality products, great prices, and fabulous customer service. These aspects are very important in obtaining Poshmark success. Get certified. The fastest and easiest way to grow your Poshmark business is to become boutique certified. To qualify, make 10 successful sales and have a 4.5 plus seller rating to unlock the wholesale market. Order at least 1 batch of inventory from the wholesale market and complete the simple in-app certification. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get to the 5 steps to real Poshmark success. Number 1, share more, follow more. This may sound cliche, but this actually works. Sharing your PFS listings as well as your own gets more eyes on your closet. Share items that you really like or items that fit your closet style. You're defining your brand with your shares, getting customers familiar with your personal and closet style. Following more PFFs will allow their followers to see you as well. Overall, more shares and more follows means more visits and more sales. Link your social accounts to Poshmark so that when you share, you'll be sharing on these platforms as well. Number 2, listing your items. When creating your listings, try to take your pictures during the day and natural sunlight. Natural light gives the best quality results. It provides a more professional, natural-looking photo. If you don't have access to natural light, you may want to invest in lighting equipment. You can also find free photography apps available for iPhone and Android through Google Play. Item description. When describing your items, provide as much detail as possible and always be honest. If your item is flawed, state this. Not providing full disclosure in your description will bite you later. Be sure to add the color, measurements, and fabric information if it's available. List more often. When you create a new listing, it goes to the main feed. The more often your items are seen in the main feed, the more chances you have of getting new followers. Create a listing schedule in order to list your items evenly during the week. Poshmark's new draft option allows you to create a listing to publish later. This is a helpful tool for releasing your items on a schedule. Release listings at least 2 to 3 times a week for optimal results. Number 3, be customer service driven. Be sure to answer questions or concerns of your customers as soon as possible. You can update the notification settings within the app to control your alerts like comments and new followers. When responding, always be cordial and helpful. If you miss seeing a customer's comment but see it days later, reach out anyway. They'll appreciate that their question was missed and not ignored. Number 4, pricing your items. When pricing your listings, keep your prices competitive. Do some research to ensure you're offering a reasonable deal and never charge retail. You'll need to find the balance between discounts for your customers and profits for you. Happy you, happy customer. Number 5, packaging and shipping. Let's cover preparation. To prepare your items for shipment, remove lint or dust with a lint brush or roller, remove random threads, and complete a secondary inspection to ensure quality of the item. Fold your items neatly and place in a garment bag or wrap in tissue paper. Place items neatly in your box or Tyvek envelope. Add a thank you note with the name of your PFF. Add a free gift. You can find simple gifts at places like your local dollar store. Don't use items like pens, candles, candies, or anything that can melt, and never send anything used. Seal your package with 2-inch clear or brown tape and affix the label with clear tape or label pouches for protection. If you prefer to use adhesive labels, the Dymo 4XL is the compatible label printer for Poshmark. Ship within 2 days. 2 days is the standard amount of time to ship on Poshmark. Waiting longer than the standard 2 days to ship can result in negative reviews and possible order cancellation. And as always, treat your PFFs the way you want to be treated. Have fun, explore the community, create connections, and make some money. Happy poshing!